Welcome to Continuous Improvement, the podcast where we explore the world of DevOps and discuss tools and practices that can help improve your software development workflow. I'm your host, Victor. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of GitOps and exploring a powerful tool called Argo CD. But before we get started, I want to give a shout out to my friend who inspired this topic with their question about pipeline tools. So, thank you for that. So, let's start by answering the question, what is GitOps? GitOps is a software development practice that uses Git as a single source of truth for all infrastructure and application configuration. It allows developers to make changes to infrastructure and application state solely through Git commits and pull requests. Now that we have a better understanding of GitOps, let's talk about Argo CD. Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool specifically designed for Kubernetes. It empowers developers to manage both infrastructure configuration and application updates in one system. What sets Argo CD apart is that it follows the Kubernetes Operator Pattern, making it lightweight and reusable for managing any type of Kubernetes resource. So, why should you consider using Argo CD? Well, there are several benefits to using this tool. First, Argo CD adopts a declarative approach to deployments. Developers only need to specify their desired state of the application in Git. Argo CD takes care of deploying the application to Kubernetes and ensuring that it remains in the desired state. This approach simplifies the deployment process and allows developers to focus on their application logic. Second, Argo CD leverages Git as a single source of truth. By using Git, you can track changes to your infrastructure and application configuration more effectively. And if you ever need to roll back a deployment, it's a breeze with Argo CD. Next, Argo CD enables continuous deployment. It continuously monitors the desired state of an application in Git and the actual state of the application in Kubernetes. If there's a difference between the two, Argo CD automatically deploys the desired state to bring your application into alignment. This allows for seamless and frequent deployments with confidence. Lastly, Argo CD offers great auditability. It keeps track of all changes made to your infrastructure and application configuration in Git. This makes it easier to audit changes and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Now, you might be wondering how to get started with Argo CD. Well, it's straightforward. First, you'll need to install Argo CD on your Kubernetes cluster. Once installed, you can create an application specification file that defines how your application should be deployed to Kubernetes. Argo CD will take care of the rest, ensuring your application remains in the desired state. To wrap things up, Argo CD is a powerful GitOps continuous delivery tool that can simplify the deployment and management of your Kubernetes applications. If you're ready to improve your DevOps workflow, I highly recommend exploring Argo CD as an option. That's all for this episode of Continuous Improvement. I hope you found this deep dive into Argo CD and GitOps insightful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future episodes, feel free to reach out on social media or through our website. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll be discussing another exciting topic in the world of DevOps. Until then, keep improving and happy coding. End of episode.